Welcome to school Baby, how was the service? Because me, I enjoyed the service. So, you understand? The way they were preaching, they were singing and dancing, my spirit was so lifted. Hope you enjoyed it.
I didn't enjoy the service.
Serious? What happened? I mean, everything was lively, everything was fun. What happened?
Baby, why is it that you don't like smoking weed?
Chai!
What kind of question is that? Where is the matter of weed coming from this afternoon? Are you okay? How can you be asking me about weed on Sunday that we are coming back from church? That is the matter of weed you're talking about. Eh?
You are just doing as if it's a big deal. My friend told me that her boyfriend used to smoke weed. That is it that you don't like
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
Let me tell you, it's better you start smoking weed now. Because my friend told me that her boyfriend used to smoke weed, and anytime he smokes weed, he used to give it.
What?
Funke! Leave me.
What kind of thing are you talking about on Sunday? That you go and be smoking weed?
Yes.
I'm a Christian. I can't do that. You want me to compromise my faith? What are you talking about? This thing is not government work. I cannot be doing more than 2 minutes. You see, Julius Berger that gave me contract. I'm trying with the one I'm doing. I can't smoke weed. I cannot compromise my faith. I'm a Christian. What are you talking about?
Oh, you don't want to compromise your faith. Okay.
I can't compromise my faith.
Okay. If you can't smoke weed for me, then this relationship is over.
Because of weed?
No. Hello? Yes. I will tell her about this is when you want to use your life for her. I'm going to do marriage, you know, 16 years.
That you go and smoke weed.
Jesus is Lord.
Please. Baby, please come now, please. Baby, please. Please come now, please. Please come now. Hey. Baby na yoke. Baby na kweche. Baby, I'm sorry I got you upset. After that time you left the house, as I was changing my clothes, I was just thinking that how can I make my baby angry? Because I say I want to protect one faith, So I've decided to compromise my faith because of you. I've decided to sacrifice my faith. As I'm talking to you now, I'm ready to go and smoke weed.
Wait, so you are telling me that...
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
Because you don't know I love you, that's why you're asking me this question. If you know how much I love you, you will know that I can do anything for you in this life.
I'm not believing this.
You're not believing what?
No,
I have my money. I want to go to that place that's smoking me.
Baby.
I told you that I will do anything for you. You don't want to believe me.
You know I love you. Okay. See, you know what is going to happen now? Go and smoke the weed.
Okay.
And I will prepare myself for you.
You wait for me.
Today, we will kill ourselves.
You Julius Berger contract.
You will see the effect of what I'm telling you.
Just give me 10 minutes.
I will tell my friend the story. Okay? It's my turn to tell the story now. Let me wait for you here, okay?
Fine.
Come. I want smoke Igbo.
Hey!
Nah, my girlfriend. She say I no get action. So I know they perform. Say make I go smoke Igbo. Say now what you all her boyfriend they do. Say if I smoke Igbo, I will get action. So at the time where I go see Igbo, weed, marijuana, and this thing. Indian hand, one way strong, original one.
You want smoke Igbo?
Yes, bros.
You sure say if you smoke Igbo?
Bros. I be adult now. What you know if you do?
Igbo, loud, or SK, which one you find?
Now Igbo, my girlfriend tell me. Igbo.
You want smoke Igbo? You want you jungle, or you want kind of come out?
Jungle? Okay, no, now here, oh, I just want smoke Igbo, make I dey go, I beg. Bros.
Huh? The match they go inside.
Okay,
They go inside now.
Hey, don't give me Igbo.
Sure say be smoke Igbo.
I go smoke and I wait till I go.
You gave her luck. Oh. It's not off. Next thing happen here. You go deal with this Igbo like this now. Make I go bring light and fast side.
Okay.
Just do it. There, no come out for you.
Okay.
There.
Okay, brother.
What? Funka? Hey, I hear me, tell me, by me.
No, good night. Good morning, sir. Oh, my Igbo. Now, one guy when they say something.
I said sit down, sit down, sit down.
Now one boy when they sell her. Now he say make I help and hold and say he won't go bring lighter. So as I dey hold the lighter, one.
What?
If you move, I will kill you.
Funka?
If you move, I will kill you.
Officer.
Apostle will hear of this.
If you move, I will kill you.
Officer.
Someone to the valley of the shadow of death.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching that funny episode. See you in the next episode. We are coming out with something very big. Just watch out. Tell them they know they smoke Igbo for hot afternoon.
Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who is smoking, please, it's not good for
I
you.
know.
We have a brand new lady.
Where we just sign.
No be that one. You don't close gutter because of.
They're not close border, but at least we import somebody. Yeah, tell them.
What's your name?
Peace is imported into
Pieces.
Yes.
Okay.
peace.
Okay,
peace.
peace.
Okay, peace. Okay, your name now Peace.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, Peace. Our new school 2 cast. See you.
This is the land of Efori. Life was beautiful,
You are as precious to me as 10 boys put together.
with the journey of unknown tomorrow. Like a tale of a fairy wonderland.
They say handsome now, hand away something big. And you handsome, but not take on the hand.
Have you in any way changed line of business into child trafficking?
Capable of igniting a sizable moment of chaotic unrest.
This Timmy, my little brother, wants to take away. Will die here.
And suddenly comes a mighty wind, sorrow.
I don't know how grateful I am. At least I can go back to school.
She's tossed about like a paper in the wind. Call it fate, call it destiny, full of suspense, intrigues, action,
Now, Mori thought I go fire you for that place.
Back to sender.
lessons in endless humor.
Stop! Stop! Yes, I'm in charge, make I tell you.